With an eye squarely fixed on raising revenues, the Finance Ministry has asked the Telecom Department to consider the possibility of another round of auctions of the high-end 3G spectrum. Gauri Dwivedi joins in with exclusive details on that. Gauri, first of all, tell us, the demand for 2G spectrum has been tepid. Why is the government keen on auction of 3G now, and will the telcos be really interested? What could be the modalities of these?
If you look at it, pure vanilla 2G spectrum cannot really be compared to 3G for several reasons. One is that there is a greater appetite that telecom companies have. The industry has a much higher appetite for 3G spectrum because simply nobody has a pan-India 3G spectrum. They need to find a way to get to pan-India because unless and until they get pan-India 3G spectrum, this whole 3G roaming issue will not be resolved, and companies need to find a solution to that. Having said that, as far as availability of 3G spectrum is concerned, yes, Defence needs to vacate at least 2 slots for a successful auction to take place. In fact, keeping a successful auction in mind is when the Finance Ministry seems to have communicated to Telecom Department that there must be a way to have another round of 3G auction. Remember, first round of 3G auctions fetched the government upwards of 67,000 crore rupees. As far as the industry appetite is concerned, we pick up that if the government does auction 2 slots of 3G spectrum, there will be a healthy auction, there will be a successful auction, and the government can expect to garner a lot more from selling 2 slots in the 3G space than, of course, the tepid rounds of 2G auctions that we are seeing that of course, are not getting any industry reaction whatsoever.